Be brave and tell someone what is going on with you. Please be brave. Today's video is about empties and a few declutters. What I've emptied for the month of September. Jumbo cotton balls, hypoallergenic 100% cotton, 200 count. I use the cotton balls when I'm using my Dickinson's or another form of toner, not the milky hydrating toners, just the clear liquid ones. Black Girl sunscreen, make it matte sunscreen gel for the face, SPF 45. I used this. It is done. I have some other ones I'm using, so I will not repurchase right now. Baking soda and peroxide whitening, brisk mint, Colgate toothpaste. Done. 2 paper perfume samples, which I love very much. Ralph Lauren, this one, even though it's a guy, I put it on. And this one. They both smell good. And the next one is Yves Saint Laurent. One is Libre and one is Myself. I have this sample on right now. It really smells good. I know they're for guys, but when they come in paper samples, I try them all. Neutrogena Stubborn Texture Daily Cleanser, Salicylic Acid, Acne Treatment, clears acne and visible smooth, uneven skin texture. 4% glycolic plus polydroxy acid, fragrance free. This is my second one and I like it. I don't have textured skin. I have large pores, but for the salicylic acid, I like it because it keeps blackheads and pimples away because I got pimples late in life. They call it adult acne. When I was in my late 40s, I broke out like crazy. When I went to the dermatologist, she said that I had adult acne. So I've been using salicylic acid, all different types. CeraVe is my favorite one, but then I came across this and I tried it. I love it. I am not repurchasing one right now because I have 4 different other brands which are backups. So I don't want to pile up more. But this is a good one if you have textured skin and acne. Dermasil Labs AHA glycolic acid toning solution, and it's say with witch hazel and rose water. When my stepmom was visiting 6 months ago, I bought this. I can't tell if it make a difference or not. I have a backup of this that I'm now using again. Will I repurchase? No. I don't see a difference. I honestly can't tell you if I see a difference or not. So this, I have a backup. After the backup, I will not be repurchasing. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA Surface Hydration Formula. This I love. When I use this by itself, it stays matte. For some reason, it stays matte because I guess my oily skin and it just makes it matte. But when I use this with a milky toner, it looks very, very hydrating. So it depends. Sometimes I use it as a night cream. I use it with the toner. When I just want to stay matte during the day, I use it by itself. This will be a repurchase. Not now. I try not to stack up too many of these things. because I don't want him to expire on me, because if it expires, I'll still use it. But I try not to pile them up. So I have about 2 or 3 other moisturizers. But when they're done, I'm going to go back to this. I love how this made my skin look and feel. It is a good product. Other item is Dr. Fresh Cool Floss and Placker's Happy Mouth Happy Life Microline Fits Tight Teeth. Fits Tight Teeth. 75 floss picks. This is done, and I used to love buying this, but this package right here, I noticed they make this section too small. So when you put it in, it hits your gums. So I only used it for the pick it comes with. Something changed about this brand. Like I said, too tight, too small. So the pick is what I use it for. This one, you see, it's wider and it works very good. And it has that little thing in the pick. As a matter of fact, I took the last one today. See, it's wider and it has this little thing you can put in between your teeth. So this is the one I'll be buying from now on. Seaside Surf Victoria's Secret Fragrance Mist. Tell me in the comments if you are like me. This is what this is. This smells so nice, refreshing, like you're by the ocean. That's what it smells like to me. It just means fresh smell. But let me know in the comments if you're like me. You buy these fragrance mist and you hardly use it. You gotta put it where you can see it so you can use it. That's me. I have to put it next to the sink so I can use them every day. I have another one which is halfway done because I had to do the same thing. These are a year old, believe it or not. But I keep forgetting to use them. So I have to put them where I can see them. If you're like me, let me know. I don't think I'll buy any more. I just rather use the perfumes and done because I forget these all the time. Safeguard Liquid Hand Soap washes away bacteria, fresh clean scent, micellar deep cleansing. This lasted a long time. My father-in-law, whenever he goes to the swap shop, he buys stuff and sometimes he'll bring me stuff he buys. This is from him. It's done. It was a big bottle and it lasted a long time. Last in my empties is Bath and Body Works Emily in Paris Lavender Luxe Body Wash. This smells so nice. The fragrance notes are lavender de Provence, flirtatious jasmine, vanilla crush. This smells so beautiful, not loud, but it's like the smell sneaks up on you and it's just so soothing. I love this. It's done. Like I say, when they have a sale, like the 75% sale, I buy lots. So they last me like for a year. But I have this for a while. I don't know if you can get it. If you can, try it. This thing smells delicious. And it just finished today. But I already have another one. Not the same one, but I buy a variety of different smells and scent. But this, if I come across it again, will be a repurchase. Now, this is where I'm going to talk about the declutter I'm going to do. I have 2 items that I'm decluttering. Number 1, I did put it in my panning project. It is almost done. It's dry. As you can see, there are cracks of everywhere. It's getting empty. But because it's the wrong shade and we're heading into the cooler months, this is making me so dark and ashy and gray like I'm dead. So I pulled it out my panning project and I'm going to declutter it. That's the Black Radiance concealer. Next declutter is Catsinia by Juvia's Place Press Powder Foundation. Again, whenever I use it, it is making me look very, very dark. And not this color, but this shade right here, if you look, this is what it makes me look like. And I'm not dead yet. And I have a lot of long life to live. So because it's the wrong shade, it changes my undertone and make me look like I'm dead. So I am going to declutter that. This is the end of my September empties and declutter. I thank you very, very much for watching. I always appreciate when you stop by. Please know that you are loved on this channel. If no one told you today that you are loved, I want you to know that you are loved, you are enough, and you belong. Always, always take care of yourself. And until I see you and you see me, remember to be brave and tell somebody what you are going through. Be brave and tell someone else what you are going through. Bye.